everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Today we're going to get into my Curateur box. If you're new, I'm Laura. That's Dexter. Loki's the white pup. Willie is the Jack Russell. I'm Laura. We're so happy you're here. We hope you stick around for long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. All right, so Curateur is a seasonal subscription box and filled with goodies. So basically, you get about a $400 valued box with lots of customization options for $125 a season, or you can go all in for the year, and then that drops the box down to $450, which saves you about $50 a year. I like this one. It's through Rachel Zoe. So you may remember Rachel Zoe's Box of Style. This is switched into Curateur, which is her own little shopping experience because you can buy stuff directly off the site. So when I open the box, here's what I see. It says a Premier Shopping membership. A little card here on the front that's going to tell me all about the items that are inside my box. And don't forget, I will put a link down below for you in case you'd like to give this service a try, and you should get money off your first box. All right, let's do this. I love customization, so I'll talk about what the customizations were. And we are going to start with Osé. Is it Osé? I think that's how you say it. Osé Hyaluronic Body Serum. And you can see these are full-size products. This is, let's see what they say. They say, want glowing, hydrated skin down to your toes. This peptide-packed body serum layers perfectly under your moisturizer for a healthy, dewy look and feel. The retail of this is $48. It says it's powered by 5 molecular weights of hyaluronic acid, vegan peptides, and nutrient-rich seaweed. This full body treatment delivers 24 hours of non-stop hydration. I love products like this, and I like trying them through boxes like this so that I'm not paying the full price before I've given it a try. I like that it's in a pump too. All right, I like inside it says seaweed looks good on you. All right, we're going to keep going. Next up is Real Her I Can and I Will Liquid Lipstick, Lip Liner, and Lip Gloss Trio. It says this is a lip kit available in an on-trend mauve or classic nude shade. So this was a choice item. And the cruelty-free trio of liner, matte liquid lipstick, and gloss offers a variety of summer lip looks that retails for $36. I think I chose the mauve as my guess. Yes, I did. And let's see what this looks like. I like that they have options when it comes to lippies, right? Because we all like something different. So hopefully I like what I picked. Oh, check this out. All right, I'm going to do the, let's see here. This is lipstick. Let's see what this looks like. Check this out. I like that. Little touch of pink there. This one, liquid lipstick. Yeah, that one was a liquid lipstick, and then we still have the lip gloss and, of course, the lip liner. All right, I love that. Next, all right, let's see. There's still so much more in here. They did send a little sample. This is MAC Stack, the Super Stack Mega Brush Mascara. So that's nice. I like when she gives us samples to try as well. Sunnies. This was the summer curation, and I love that she almost always includes sunglasses for summer. These are by Diff Eyewear. This was a choice item, so you could choose between the gold or the black. See down here? And it says the Becky sunglasses. Think of the sleek sunnies as the cat eye's more modern, sophisticated sister with an upswept yet angular shape. They're sure to elevate your entire summer wardrobe. All right, I got the black. Let's see, they all covered up. Let's see what these look like. I'm excited. I love a cool sunny. Okay, here we go. Oh, these are nice. What do you think? They're nice too for me. I have puffy, I always think my cheeks like stick out, right? And these are not sitting on my cheeks. So I love that. And that's because of the nose pads. They're very comfortable, very lightweight, and I think kind of fun. I like these. Good choice. Good choice. Good choice. All right. What else have I got here? Because I've got more, and you do get the little bag to put it in. Put them back in. There's more. Jewelry. Where's the jewelry? I love jewelry. She almost always includes jewelry. Sorry there, Dexy. And I found it. Can you believe how good the puppers are being? They're being so good. All right, this was a choice item between two different pairs of earrings. This is called by Fraser Sterling. And you either could get the Elise earring. When in doubt, these 14 karat gold plated studs decorated with dainty cubic zirconia dots will dress up whatever you wear on your summer adventure. Or you could get the Geneva earrings. Real pearls combined with flowers make these delicate drop earrings a classic accessory for casual looks and retail occasions alike. And $62 is the retail price for the earrings I chose, which is the Geneva. The Elise were $56. I think I forgot to tell you the retail of the sunglasses. These, they're $108. $108. Okay, so here's the two choices for the earrings. Don't mind my bad nail here. I get it fixed today. So I chose the second pair, the drop. Here's what they look like. I like that. Looks like a little hibiscus flower to me, which is my favorite. That is my favorite flower. So I'm going to go with that. I'm going to go with, it's a hibiscus. I'm going to try these on for you, and we'll see what you think. Which ones would you have picked? Or which ones did you pick if you're doing this? Yeah, those are pretty. I like that. Very pretty. We're almost down to, we are down to the last item, which I'm going to read about it while I put in the other pair, the other earring. And it is the Walter Baker Delaney tote. Perfect for the pool or beach, yet chic enough for the summer, your summer street style. This raffia vegan leather tote captures the essence of the season. Let me put these here for a minute. I got too much stuff here, all in motion. So here's what it looks like. And it says the retail is $160. I'm telling you, I already love this, how it's all packed up, because you could throw this right on the top of your suitcase if you need to take a beach bag with you. And I do. Sometimes I want a little bag when I get to wherever I'm going on vacation or even a work trip, and you don't have the extra space to just throw another bag. This would be perfect to throw on top of your suitcase and just take, so you have it for the beach or for shopping. The bottom is pretty thick. It's a perfect size. It's the raffia with the leather trim. This is so adorable. I really like it. Let me see if I can show you what this looks like on my shoulder, and then we're gonna wrap. I think these curations are always on point. I like them. I think for the price point, it's worth it, because you do get some really expensive pieces to give a try, right? Especially with the beauty products. If you like the sunnies and the jewelry, then you really are in good shape. So here's what it looks like on my shoulder. So not too big. Yeah, I like that. And let's see, the inside does have a magnet to close it here at the top. But look how much, and magnets on the side to hold it closed if you don't want it all bunched out because you didn't fill it. Otherwise, look how much room is in there. Hey, Loki, you want to go in my bag? Look how much room is in there. I love that. Loki, you want to try my bag, buddy? No, apparently not. He went to sleep. They're being so good, right? I don't want to disturb them. So we had 5 items. So the earrings, I had the second one in there, which I love. That was a choice item. We had the lippy, which was a choice item. the Walter Baker bag, which I'm in love with, the OC, I bet you it's OC, hyaluronic body serum, and then the Diff eyewear, which was also a choice item. So 3 choice items in this one. All right, and that's a wrap. I'll put all the information for this box down below in case you would like to give it a try. Can't wait to hear what you thought, so please do comment down below. I don't think it's too late to get the summer box, so if you did want to sign up, I'll put my link for you. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.